We'll take care of that.
Okay, as you can see, this is the start of our liner here in the 4-inch cast iron. We're just past the storm and sanitary tie-in. We're going to go ahead and televise out to the city main. We did have to use a sewer machine to retrieve a little bit of bladder. You can see this is our transition area to the 6-inch clay tile. There was a couple of spots that you'll notice that in the top of the liner we had some calcite that we had a real hard time trying to get removed with a jetter. And rather than try and damage the clay using chains to clean it, being it was on the top side, we just let it go, being it's 6-inch. As you can see, the liner's smooth throughout. There's one spot where we had a little calcite. There is a Y that's downstream. This actually ties the neighbor in. We did a dye test before we actually put a liner in. We do stop before the Y, and then we do pick up downstream of the Y. Right there is the worst area of calcite, but you can see that's really not in the flow area. You can see here we drop down towards the Y. And here's the end of our liner before the Y. Again, this picks up the neighbor. This was confirmed with a dye test. And you can see we picked the liner up downstream. And there's another slight area of calcite. And here you can see we're looking down at the city main. The liner is full open. The occupants can use everything. We are going to go ahead and record as we pull back.